Hey everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the tracking tags tutorial in CapCut. So here I've already opened my edit, and I'm going to go to tags and add my tags in here. Then I'm going to pick a phone. Okay. Click on a check icon and just place your tags in anywhere you want. Okay, let's say I'm going to put it in here. Then after that, click on the text again and find tracking option. So this one's right here, and then choose the object to track. I'm going to choose the hand here. Then after that, click on start tracking and just wait until it finishes. So after that, the tracking is complete, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.